Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly generate smart contracts for different tokens using an automated platform. You don't need to be a developer or know how to code. The system creates the contract automatically and configures all the token parameters for you. You simply choose the blockchain network, the token type and the main settings, and everything is ready to go. It's a convenient solution for anyone who wants to save time, reducing mistakes and focus on growing their projects. And today we are going to try generating Flash Solana. To do this, click the button with the Solana icon, select the network, and choose the amount we want to generate. For me it will be 1 million USD. Then we click continue. After that the processing starts. Now we need to enter our Solana address. For this I go to my crypto wallet, copy the Solana address, return to the platform and paste it into this window. After that, I choose the token duration of 1 month. That will be enough for me to try trading on legitimate platforms and click generate token. Now the generation is in progress. At this stage we see window we need to pay a fee. This is required to activate the smart contract on a blockchain. As you can see, there are two payment options. You can pay either in the selected token or in the USDT. I will choose USDT on the TRC20 network. The platform provides an address, which I copy and send the required amount to. To do this, I simply go to my wallet and send the necessary amount to the address I copied earlier. And everything is fine. Friends, I have sent the payment. Now we return to the website and click the button confirming that the payment has been made. Click I have paid. Guys, and for now we just need to wait until the payment is confirming by this platform. Let's wait a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, the Flash token successfully generated. It means that everything was fine and we just need to go back to our crypto wallet, refresh it and wait for the Flash token. Let's just refresh our wallet. And alright guys, we successfully received our Flash Solana token and it's around 1 million USD. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next one.